Hi and welcome to the Year 9 Options Assembly. Year 9 Options is all about decisions, and making sure that we make the right decision. So here at Ash Hill, it's all about changing lives, and it's our role to help you make the right choices for your future. Information is the most important factor about making the right choices at GCSE. So the option process will run as follows. We've got the options evening, which is on the 1st of February. That night, the options website will also go live. On the website, we'll see lots of videos, lots of information, and the options booklet will be on there for us to view as well. Year 9 will also have an assembly on Friday about the options process, where they will also be given the options booklet to take home. The deadline for the option selection will be Tuesday the 8th of February. This will be done online on our website. Once we return after half term, we'll be then having one-to-one meetings with me or another member of SLT to discuss the options that have been chosen. So, the options process itself. We need you to visit our Academy website, and once on there, you should see two options. We've rather got the button down at the bottom where it says Year 9 Options, or we can go into the Curriculum tab and click onto Year 9 Options as shown on the screen. This will take to this page where you can see lots of different subject headers. In there is a brief overview of the course. There will also be subject videos. Within this tab, there is also the options booklet that you can view online at any point. So for our core subjects, we have English, Maths, Science and French that we'll study up to GCSE. We have Core PE and we have EPC, which is Ethics, Philosophy and Citizenship. That's studied for 1 hour a week but are not accredited at GCSE. The options process itself then. So we have options 1, where you will pick from a humanities option. Your choices are geography and history. You can only choose one of these subjects. Option 2, this is our creative option. There are many subjects to choose from here. During our open evening, you'll get to speak to all the teachers about what these subjects have to offer and what these subjects entail with regards to examination, coursework and other areas. All the information is also in our options booklet, which you will receive on Friday. You will get to pick between 2 of these. Points to consider when thinking about your option choices. It's best to begin with the end in mind. So what is it that I actually want to be when I'm older? Is it that you want to be a lawyer, a policeman, a chef? All these things are really important to make sure that you're on the right course from this early age in Year 9. The other thing to think about is what opportunities nationally are out there with regards to the job sector. So the employment sector is due to grow in the next 5 to 10 years are business and financial services, ICT and computing, manufacturing and engineering, renewable energies and recycling, digital marketing, biotechnology, gaming and virtual reality, and healthcare. Some of the areas around this area that are highly thought of right now are wholesale and retail, health and social care, manufacturing, education and administration. So making good choices. There are some questions you need to ask yourself. 1, what am I good at and what will I succeed in? There's no point in picking a subject that you're going to be unsuccessful at. And pick something that you enjoy, something that you are really good at. 2, what am I interested in and enjoy? And 3, what qualifications do I need for my next steps in Year 11 and beyond? Having that information to hand is really, really important so that you don't get to year 11 and realise you've not studied a subject that you need for your future career. So my next steps to success. 1, I need subjects that appeal to your likes. 2, subjects that suit your skills and abilities and talents. 3, subjects that keep options open to sixth form and beyond. 4, subjects that with assessments that suit you and gives you the best opportunity for success. And then 5, you need to seek advice if you're not sure. So what should I do now? You need to join us for our options evening. You need to read through the options booklet carefully. Again, this will be given out on Friday, or you can find it on our website. 3, look at the options videos and careers advice video on our website. 4, research what it is you want to do for the future. Things that you should not do. You shouldn't choose a subject just because you do or don't like the teacher. You don't know whose class you will be in next year. You don't know if that teacher will even be within the school next year either. 2, you shouldn't make decisions based on what your friends are choosing. Just because they're not in your class doesn't mean that you're not going to be successful. It usually means that you have chosen a subject that is not suited to you if you have based it around the decisions that your friends are making. And 3, choose a subject because you think it's easy. No subject is easy at GCSE level. This is all about you. It needs to be your decision, nobody else's, and what you are good at. Points to consider then is that if you're wanting to study the English baccalaureate, you will need to have studied English, maths, a history or geography, French, and also a science. And we highly recommend that if you're wanting to be successful at the EBAC subject, that you pick triple science. This is an option on your option form in the creative section. So who can help? Subject staff over the next couple of weeks can help. Older students that you might know who've already studied that subject, your learning manager, obviously speak to your parents, and you can speak to your friends, but please be aware that again, we're not making decisions on what they want to do for their future, it's on what you want to do for yours. Final steps then. So to make your option choices, we need you to do this online. So once again, we need you to visit our website and you're going to scroll right to the bottom of the Year 9 options page where you'll find this button which is Option Choices Form. On there, you'll find this document where it helps you choose which options that you want to take. So option 1 will be a choice between history and geography. Then option 2, you will be picking your first choice, your second choice, third and fourth. We do always try to make sure that students get their first or second choice, but this is sometimes not always possible. So we need backup choices of a third and fourth choice. This means that you will only pick one of the creative options to be your first choice, one to be your second, one to be your third, and one to be your fourth. All other choices should be identified as do not wish to study. This needs to be completed by the 8th of February in order for us to look at the information and then start making the one-to-one meetings when we return after half term. If you have any questions, please come and speak to me, Miss Quinn, or any member of SLT, and we'll be happy to help.